noise.
See? It's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah, that's amazing. I wonder how it attaches.
I think it clamps on. Yep, thought so. Wow, it feels great. Fits perfectly.
You better take them off.
Couldn't I just have a little go?
Wilson, that's crazy.
I won't go far. Just up and then straight back down again. Nobody would know.
But Action Chugger said...
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Wilson! Stop!
Hey! Jetpack will soar in the sky!
Wilson! Come back!
How do I turn around?
I'm not sure. Oh, bumpers.
Why didn't I think of that before I took off?
Wilson!
No! Help!
Have no fear, Action Chugger is here.
Help me!
Okay, Chugger, I have control.
Whew. Thanks.
Hold tight, I'm bringing you in.
Wilson, I was so worried.
Do you know how dangerous that was? You could have had a nasty accident.
I'm really sorry. I just wanted to fly and be a super chugger like you.
You can't race before you can roll. These things take time.
I know. I thought I'd only need one lesson. It looks so easy in the movies.
Well, real life isn't like the movies.
Don't worry, Coco. You'll be fine.
There's a blackout.
So there's no power for you to pull from the tracks. And your battery must have run down. So I'm okay. I'm really okay.
Yeah.
You just can't move.
Now who's a slowpoke?
I'm sorry I teased you, Brewster.
That's okay.
What do we do now?
I know. You tow Coco back to Chuggington, and I'll make the deliveries.
On your own?
Well, someone has to.
Do you think the trainees will be okay?
I'm sure they'll be fine, Dunbar. They're a good little team.
Yeah.
I'm so embarrassed. I hope no one sees me like this. There's a blackout, Coco. Nobody can see anything. Woo, woo. Breakdown Chugger coming through. Shh. Everyone can still hear, though.
Wilson, Coco. Oh, are you okay? Where's Brewster?
We're fine, Dunbar. Coco lost her power. So Brewster's doing the night run all on his own.
Really? Oh, what a brave chugger.
I'm moving! The power's back! Hooray!
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm back! Did you miss me?
Yeah, it's been very quiet around here, Dee.
Well, I've just had a message, and you'll be pleased to know that Brewster's delivered everything on schedule.
Woohoo! Wow, Brewster did it, even with all the time he lost rescuing me.
Brewster's tired, so he'll spend the night in Tootington and come back tomorrow.
I'll never, ever call Brewster a slowpoke again. He's my hero. Choo-choo! That feels better without the boxcar. You've got to get your wheel fixed, Wilson.
Yeah. What if it falls off?
But I...
Come on, Wilson. We're taking you to the repair shed.
But... Hello? Hello? Hello, Peckham.
Hi, Wilson. What can I do for you?
I just wanted to say hello. But I can see you're busy, Morgan, so bye.
Maybe I should take a look at that noise. You know, since you're here. Follow me. I want to show you something really cool.
Okay.
It's called the rotator, and it lets me look underneath you. Okay, stop there. Now you'll just feel a little tickle on your wheels.
Ah! Whoa!
You're doing well, Wilson. Hold tight now.
Whoa!
You're very brave. Most chuggers are nervous the first time they have to get fixed. It's perfectly normal.
Really?
Oh, I can see what the problem is. A broken suspension spring. No wonder you shake, rattle, and roll.
Is that bad?
Nah, it's easy to fix.
Will it hurt?
Not at all. I'll have you back on your wheels in no time.
Phew.
Hey, Wilson, you're fixed. Look! No rattles or shakes.
Wilson was really brave.
Oh, it was nothing. It was so cool! There's this big machine, the rotator, and it lifted me high off the ground and
Honking horns! That sounds amazing!
Yeah, can we try too? Only if you need fixing.
Attention, please. Will Wilson, Brewster, and Coco return to the county fair?
Phew. Looks like I got repaired just in time.
V, could you ask Callie to ride by, please?
Sure thing, Brewster.
Someone's coming. Let's honk. We're gonna be stuck out here forever. Breakdown Chugger coming through! What's that? Sounds like Callie!
Phew! I finally found you. Brewster said you went down the tunnel, but I never thought you'd be all the way out here.
Me neither. It's my fault. I wanted to know where the tunnel went.
V told you that you weren't ready to go down tunnels by yourself.
I know, but...
Didn't you think there might be a reason for that? Like it was for your own safety?
I get that now.
Come on, let's get you back on the track. Hold tight. Easy. Nearly there. Great.
Phew. Thanks, Callie. From now on, I'm not going anywhere until I know how to be safe on the rails.
Good, Chugger. Now let's get you both back to the depot, safe and sound.
Oh, but there's nothing but dust left, Brewster.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, see you next time. Take it easy.
Hey, slow down, Brewster.
No, you speed up, slowpoke. Come on, I want to get back. Wilson, the slowpoke.
But weren't you listening to Dunbar?
What about?
About being extra careful on the way home. It's harder downhill.
Huh, how can it be harder downhill? Downhill's easy peasy. You got that wrong, Wilson.
I didn't.
I bet you weren't really paying attention. As usual.
I was. Slow down, Brewster, please.
There's nothing to worry about.
Brewster, stop!
My brakes don't work. Help! I can't grip the wheel.
Oh, no! I've got to stop him!
Yes, Wilson and Brewster are doing well. I've just heard they left the quarry.
Ooh, glad to hear it. I've been worried about them.
There's nothing to worry about.
Brewster, drop your load!
What? I can't do that.
Wait, but maybe I can. I work for Morgan.
I can't hold the rails on longer.
Doors open.
Wilson, what are you?
Break on the dust!
What? Oh, it's working. I can grip the track. Thanks, Wilson. You saved me.
Phew-wee.
What made you think of that?
I remembered what Morgan did when he slipped on the oil.
Switched on. I'm sorry I didn't believe you about what Dunbar said. You were paying attention, but I wasn't.
Makes a difference, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, Breaking Brewster. Let's get this done safely home. That's it! Perfecto!
Whoa, what's happening?
Quick, turn the magnet off again! hours. Now there are 3 pieces out.
What? Oh no! The line will have to be closed even longer now.
Yeah, don't reopen the line yet, V. We're, not quite ready.
Where are you going?
To get help.
But you can fix this.
No, I can't. I can't control the magnet. It's hopeless.
Look, you just have to turn the magnet off when you don't need it. I'll shout to you. Come on, I just know you can do it.
Do you really think so?
Of course. Over a teeny bit. Perfecto. Now drop it. Magnet off. Good job, Hodge. You did it.
Terrific. Now for the next piece.
I wonder what we're gonna find. I hope it's not a lot of work. How we doing, Zephie?
Nearly there. It's Eddie.
Wow! You fixed it yourself.
Sorry, Eddie. P said it was urgent and you didn't show up in time and...
You did a great job, Hodge. Oh, look at that. I'm really proud of you.
Thanks. It was teamwork.
Great. Let's tell V the good news.
Look, don't worry. I can get you back on the tracks.
You can?
Of course. Old Puffer Pete to the rescue. That's the last of them, Colin. You're ready to roll.
Thanks, Pete. I'm worried about the squirrels, though. It's not safe for them to jump across the tracks.
Seems to be a stretch for the young ones.
Maybe we can make them a bridge.
A bridge? But how, Colin? Oh, cuckoo, cookie, curly, cupcake.
It's Coco.
Oh, so it is.
What if you use your crane to lift up one of these logs and put it between the trees?
You youngsters are so switched on.
That's it, Pete. Keep it going. Easy does it. That's it. It works. They like it. Look at them go.
It certainly was a great idea, Coco.
Thanks, Pete. Yay! You got my name right. And now, I better get these logs to the paper mill.
Do you want some company?
Train-tastic.
I was just about to have my lunch, Brewster. But of course I'll rehang your mailbags. Come on, Hodge.
Thanks, Eddie.
Whoa! What have you been up to?
Aren't you supposed to pick up the mail, not throw it around?
I left the sacks in the mail car. What happened?
Don't worry, pal. I'll fix it.
I don't understand.
Hodge, keep an eye on my lunchbox, will you? I don't want that disappearing like my wrench did.
Yeah, that was weird.
You know, strange things have been happening all day. First, all those bananas vanished from the safari park.
Oh, yeah. I heard about that.
Then there was that noise in my boxcar. Kept on barking when there was nothing there. And now the mailbags have been emptied out. And there are banana skins everywhere. I've got it! Eddie, put your lunchbox into my net.
Huh?
Just trust me.
Okay.
Now go and hide.
He's gone bananas.
I think he has a plan.
Huh? Good catch!
What a naughty monkey!
He must have hitched a ride back from the safari park.
Wow, you're so smart, Brewster. How did you know?
The bananas were the clue. Everywhere I've been today, there have been bananas. And who likes bananas? Monkeys!
Let me have a look at that little rascal. Hey, come back here!
Oh no! He's gonna do it again!
Time for the big test. And I have brought you some tough customers.
Yay!
Now let's see what you can do.
I'll go first. Vanilla cone, please. It's no use. I'll never be able to do that.
I may as well just put this car back in the yard.
Finished already, Wimple?
No, I'm not going to take the test, Pete. Everyone will laugh at me.
And I'll look silly in front of Frostini.
Now, hold on there, Widget. You can't just give up at the first junction. Handling the Cone Meister is an art. You have to master it.
But how?
Become one with the machine. That's what the great Frostini does.
Frostini? Really?
Of course! Now fire her up! Find the rhythm. That's it! Can you feel it?
Yes! Bang, clang, bang, bang!
Give it all you've got.
Bang, clang, bang, bang! Bang, clang, bang, bang! Bang, clang, bang, bang! Bang, clang, bang, bang! Wow! Did you see that?
Yes. Come on, Wilson. Show us that magnifico machine in action.
Here goes.
Chuggington began.
Everything looks so old. Even older than old Puffer Pete. Hey, let's go down here.
Go back now. We don't want old Puffer Pete to get worried.
Okay. Which way was it? I think it was this way.
No, it wasn't. It was this way.
I don't think so. Wasn't it over there?
Honking horns! They all look the same.
Oh no, we are so lost. And no one knows where we are. I want to go home. We shouldn't have come here, Coco. We're gonna be stuck here forever and ever. Thanks to you. Oof.
I bet Morgan could fix this.
I don't know. Morgan's not too happy with Eddie right now.
Well, it's worth a try.
Yeah, and if it stops Eddie from being late, it will make Morgan happy.
Okay, I'll ask him.
I think it's down here, Eddie.
Are you sure, Zephie? This line hasn't been open for years.
Whoops. You're right. Sorry.
We seem to be going around in circles.
Really?
So we really need your help, Morgan.
It's a really nice idea, Hodge, but it'd be a lot of work.
I could give you a hand, Morgan.
Well, oh, okay. You've twisted my arm.
Terrific.
Just wait till Eddie sees it.
Here he comes.
I can't believe we couldn't find that broken light. This really isn't my day.
Oh, yes it is, Eddie. Turn around.
Surprise!
What's this?
It's for you.
Huh?
It's your new home, Eddie.
What? This cool carriage is for me?
Yeah, Hodge found it.
And everyone helped fix it up.
I can't believe it. My very own place. Oh, thanks a million, everyone.
And it has wheels, so you can put it anywhere you like.
I'll put it somewhere near here, close to my friends. Hey! Home sweet home.
This really isn't my day.
Attention, please. Time to get ready, trainees. You have 10 minutes before your test.
Oh no! What am I gonna do?
Hey, Wilson, where have you been?
It's almost time for our test.
I know, and I still can't do it.
Why not?
Watch. Wilson, just remember Dunbar's rhyme.
When you take passengers out for a ride, don't be jerky, you have to glide.
When Wilson takes passengers out on a trip, they wobble around and it makes them feel sick.
Train-tastic! That's it! Keep going, Wilson!
Huh? Those rhymes are working. Your dummies aren't moving, Wilson.
Because you're really concentrating.
Huh? Oh yeah! I'm doing it! I know what to do, so I'll give it a try. Now that I'm concentrating, just watch me fly!
Go, Wilson! You're really rolling now.
Choo-choo!
Wilson was wobbly. He couldn't ride smooth, but now he can see that he found his groove.
Well, what do you know? I'm as smooth as the rest. Come on, Brewster and Coco. Let's take that test.
And go!
That was fun. I really concentrated. But did we pass Dunbar?
Did we pass? Did we pass?
Congratulations, Chuggers!
Cool.
You've each earned your badges, which just goes to prove that you three trainees
Know how to move smooth.
Stop! Come back here. Ebo! Wait a minute. Rocks don't have tails. Hey, come back here. Now! Uh-oh, dead end. Help! Help!
Everything okay, you two? Where's Wilson?
Oh, he's still on his way.
Yeah, that elephant's been kind of tricky, Vicky.
Help! Please, somebody, help! Oh, I'll never, ever, ever get my badge now. Thank you. I thought I was going to be stuck here forever. I think I'll push you this time so I can see what you're doing. Oh no! I don't know which way to go. There are so many tracks. Are you sure you really do know the way? So Dunbar was right. Elephants never forget.
Nope, he's not at the rolling stockyard.
And he's not at the roundhouses.
Don't worry, we'll find him.
And bring him back for his wash.
Ha-ha! Hooray! Woohoo!
There he is. Oh, Wilson, it's wash time.
No way!
Wilson, come back.
Where Where'd he go?
Here I am, here I am.
Oh, he's not here either.
I don't know why he doesn't want to get clean.
Because muddy is more fun.
Oh, where is he? He just disappeared.
That's because he's the best hidey chugger ever.
Then maybe we need to get Wilson to come to us.
Huh?
Come on, we need the leaf blower.
Whoa! Look at all those leaves. Ah! I can't see a thing.
Oh, Brewster.
It's wash time, Wilson.
Gotcha.
Hey, let me go.
Sorry, Wilson.
No! No! Please don't make me.
It's okay, Wilson. It's really fun.
That tickles.
Oh, goodness me. What on earth's the matter, dear?
Eddie took my siren away. I wasn't ready to use it properly.
Poor Zephie. But I think it's for the best. I know what would cheer you up. Why don't you go and find that lamb?
Oh, yes! And I won't get lost this time. Whee! I'm going to see the lamb. Bye, Owen. Going to see the lamb, going to see the lamb. At last! Oh, aren't you sweet? Hi, little lamb. I'm Zephie. Aren't you going to talk to me? First I lose my siren, and now you won't talk to me. Hello. I mean, bah. Hey, I can talk lamb. Come and see everyone. Oh no. Uh-oh. I'm stuck. Help! Help! Oh, if only I had my siren. Help!
Well, hi there, little lamb. Are you ready for your lunch?
Felix! Help! I'm over here!
Zephie, what happened?
I fell over, and I can't get up.
Well, don't worry. I'll get help.
It could be a lion or an elephant.
Or it could be something we've never even seen before.
Like what?
Like a dragon.
A dragon?
Yeah. Emily said the dragon got out last night, too.
Zephie's heading straight for the tunnel.
Tell her to stop.
Stop, Zephie! Oh!
Now, where is that little frog hiding?
You should do your frog call, Vicky. See if he answers.
Well, anything's worth the try.
Maybe that cow speaks frog.
Oh, it's no use. I can't do it loudly enough.
I think I have an idea.
What was that? It's a dragon! A dragon? Zephie, are you okay? Zephie stalled!
She's not moving. Quick, Brewster. You're not scared of anything. You have to go and help her.
Okay. I'm going in. It's huge!
Help! Help! Brewster! Brewster!
Zephie's counting on me. I'm coming, Zephie! Brave Brewster is on the way!
So now you've seen the mixing room and the freezer room.
Yeah, my wheels are still kind of cold.
And this is where the ice cream gets loaded up for delivery. We have all the flavors you can imagine, and some you cannot. There's chalk and cherry chowder, soap and strawberry surprise.
What's the surprise?
That it does not taste like soap at all.
Nice one.
Toasted treacle tortellini, and lots more. All ready to go in the refrigerated cars.
Like the ones I'm taking to the... Oh no! I better shift my gears. Well, thanks, Frostini. Ciao!
Hey, I never told you about the cookie crumble carrot crunch.
Aw, I'm never gonna get the ice cream to the fair on time now.
Ah, what's keeping Wilson?
What am I going to tell V? I'll just have to pull all the cars together.
Ciao, Wilson. See you later.
See you later. Oh, bumpers.
Ice cream, tutti frutti ice cream. It's cold, it's yummy, feels good in your tummy.
A chop suey cheesecake cone, please. That's great, thanks.
Come on, Wilson.
Ah, there we go. That should do it, Dunbar. Are you okay?
Oh, thanks. Ooh, I'm a little dizzy.
I'm not surprised, pal.
There's some weird things going on today.
Oh, I've never known anything like it.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Maybe you should check the junction boxes, Eddie.
But there are hundreds of them.
What's a junction box?
It's, one of those.
Back into clickety-clack.
What am I going to do, Wilson? If I tell Eddie I broke the box, he's never going to trust me to do anything on my own again.
Yes, but it's the only way to get Chuggington back to normal.
I suppose.
Eddie will understand. It was an accident.
Yeah, you're right.
Well, this one seems fine. 347 to go. You okay, Hodge?
Eddie, I have something to tell you.
It would have saved a lot of trouble if you'd said something earlier, Hodge.
I'm sorry, Eddie.
Yeah, but we always tell each other everything. We're a team, remember?
I know, but sometimes I want to do things by myself. You help me all the time, and I feel like a baby.
Ah, it's just 'cause I care. Tell you what, I promise to let you do more jobs yourself, but you have to promise to tell me if anything goes wrong. Deal?
Deal.
I'm proud of you, Hodge, for doing the right thing, even if it did take you a while.
Thanks, Eddie.
Good. I'll let V know. Actually, wait a minute. Why don't you tell her, Hodge?
Hodge to V. We've repaired the junction box, and Chuggington is back to normal.
That's wonderful. Woo! I hope we never have another day like today.
We won't. And we won't have any more secrets either.
Oops, excuse you.
Oh, well, really?
And now we go to Hodge. Always by Eddie's side. He's a bit clumsy. Look out! Oops, I tried.
I was just nervous because of the cameras. I'm not clumsy.
150 years young.
The oldest chugger around here is our Puffer Pete. He talks so much, he could put you to sleep.
I think I've seen enough.
It's time to leave Chuggington, so I'll take a bow. My name is Emery. Bye-bye for now. Hey! Hooray! Huh? Why'd they all leave?
I think you hurt their feelings.
But my jokes were really funny.
Now that I think about it, maybe you went too far.
Oh, no. I didn't mean to. They're all my friends. Oh, what can I do?
I've got an idea. Mic 'em up.
Special announcement. This Chugger wants to apologize. What I should have said was, Alwyn is an engine with such style and grace, and Hodge always puts a smile on my face. If you want a great story, give Puffer Pete a call. Chuggington really is the best place of all. I was trying to be funny, but my jokes went too far. Having friends means much more than being a star. Please forgive me.
Well, seeing as you put it so nicely, youngster, of course we will.
Yeah.
That's more like it.
But be yourself. We think you're funny just the way you are.
Don't worry, Wilson. Practice makes perfect. Actually, these balls are for the monkeys to play with. So why don't you take them to the safari park? You can practice some more on the way.
Yay! We get to go after all! Oh, but please don't grab my wipers. Help! Help! Huh? What's the matter? You're more afraid of me than I am of you. It's all right, little monkey. I won't hurt you. You're a little cutie. Yes, you are. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
This is fun! The monkeys are going to love playing with these!
Hello, little monkeys. Who wants to play? Aw, they're cute. I think Emery must have been teasing me. Monkeys are the best.
Hi, Zephie! Everything okay?
Where's Dr. Gosling?
Oh no! Dr. Gosling! Be right back. Off you get, monkeys. Come on, you have to get out. Please.
I can help, Zephie. Hey, monkeys, over here! Look what we've got for you!
Good one, Wilson.
You.
Come on, Brakes. Easy does it. Don't fail me now.
What's that smell? There's smoke! Smoke! I smell smoke!
Oh no! What's going on? Uh-oh! Chatsworth's in trouble, and Callie isn't here. How am I going to let her know?
Help! Help! Fire! Fire! Fire!
Chatsworth's on fire, and there's no one here to save him. I better tell V. I have to do it. I'm the only one who can help. Come on, Brewster. Be brave. Don't worry, Chatsworth. Help is on the way.
Help! I'm on fire! Can you hear me? Somebody help me! I'm on fire! Put me out, for goodness sake! Help!
Break down, Brewster, to the rescue.
Brewster, I'm on fire!
Thank you, Brewster. You are a hero. The brakes locked up on that car, and I couldn't stop.
Well, you're safe now. I'm glad I was able to help, Chatsworth.